So hi guys, I'm Nabeel Architect and I'm back with another amazing video. In this video we are going to learn about Excel software, how to add columns in Excel software. So we are here in Excel software and I add some number here like this 3 and 4 and 5. Okay. If you want to add column on here like this, you simply go to select G column and right click and insert column. As you can see, the column is inserted. If you want to lots of column here, and I want to add lots of column, you uh, if for example I add 4 column and I select 4 column and simply right click and insert. As you can see, 4 column are add. Okay, if you want to delete this column, right here, right click, select column and right click and go to delete. As you can see, the column is deleted here from here. Okay, if you want to select lots of column like this, for example I select the 6th column and I insert 6 column here, add, go to insert, and as you can see 6 column inserted from 1 to 2, between 1 to 2 cells. Okay, if I remove this column, I simply right click and delete this column. Okay, so that's it, the basic tutorial of Microsoft Excel, how to add columns in Microsoft Excel.